He's not getting his dog back. How much money did you bring?
Say it again?
I say, you're not getting the dog back. How much money you bring? You want to pay his vet bill?
It's my dog, Sharon. If you took him to the vet without asking me to take him to the vet, that's your choice.
Gee, and when you bring him here, when you call me last year in June, you want to listen to all this shit?
You're welcome to take me to court for the vet bills, but the dog is mine. That he needs to come with me. That's a civil matter. He's my dog. He needs to come with me.
You go get a lawyer, come at me, and we'll go to court and we'll see whose dog it is.
You just admitted in front of a sheriff that it is my dog.
Well, he is your dog, but you owe me a ton of money.
So yeah. Take me to court.
Well, you take me to court to come
Hey,
get
Dallas. Hey, buddy. Come on.
You know, you should have done the right thing a long time ago.
Like what? Like by doing what exactly?
Like what? You want to get into... This gentleman doesn't want to listen to all our pissing and moaning.
Feel free. This will be the first time I've heard it. Go ahead.
Really?
When did you ask me for money? When did you ask me for money?
When you had my vehicle you were supposed to buy and then left me with about $3,000 worth of repairs on it.
I gave you $700 to rent the vehicle for 2 months and you sold it after I was gone. So
no, I gave it away.
It's a non-issue. That's got nothing to do with the dog either.
This can go on forever. Subpoena me, we'll go to court. I'm not giving you the dog.
All right, well, I'll be glad to get your card.
Okay. Edward 58500.
She admitted in front of me that that was his dog, but he needed to pay her. So I'm pretty much going to go up there and say, no, that's theft. Mm-hmm. And I highly encourage you to give the dog up today, or you could face potential charges. Mm-hmm. Hey, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Deputy Ledesma with the Sheriff's Office. I met you a couple months ago because of the issue between... Okay, so after some further investigation...
Sure.
I've come to the conclusion that he is indeed the owner of the dog. Okay, sure. And what I wanted to do was encourage you to give the dog back to him. I'm gonna coordinate with him to come down here today.
He's not getting the dog until we go to court.
Okay. Well.
Okay?
Ma'am, if you refuse to give the dog back to him because I have established ownership, whatever he owes you as far as money goes, yes, you can very well take him to court on that. But as far as ownership of the dog, he is owner of the dog, and he can come and pick up his dog.
Well, tell him to come.
Okay, all right, and then he'll come pick up his dog because I truly
I'm
don't
not
want.
giving him the dog.
Okay, I truly don't want to charge you with theft, ma'am. I really don't want to come down.
I'm not giving him the dog. You can arrest me if that's where he wants to go, but you can tell him by the time come here. Come on. That's him.
No, this is the guy we're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a neat little dog.
Yeah.
Do I need him? No, not particularly, but I have gotten attached to him. And he gets along super with my big dog. Yes, he does. And it's not that the dog doesn't attach to him. Mm-hmm. I'm sure he'd be fine. Yeah. But I've gotten attached to him as long as I've had him. Yeah. And now he wants his dog back. Well, he can go to the pound and get another one.
Yeah. When I came out here,
and you bring that idiot to my house. Up until that point, I'm not even sure he knew where I lived.
Right.
I'm thinking of putting a restraining order on him because I don't want him here. Yeah. He can go to the pound and get another dog. I don't care what he does. I'm not giving you the dog, and he's not coming to get it. Okay. I'll see him in court with the dog. Tell him to take me to Judge Judy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because when I get done with him, I'm going to own his little wind tunnel up there.
Do you have anything in writing or maybe even a text message that he said, here's the dog, you can keep it? All that,
you can be devil's advocate. He's going to have to get off his ass and do more than this to get the dog back. Okay? I mean, I'm just telling you. He wants him back. He's going to have to do more than send you. Okay? All right. I hope you give me some kind of warning before you come arrest me.
All right. Well, this was my warning, essentially.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is it. So
here's the thing, ma'am.
Huh?
Here's the thing. The dog is his. Okay? regardless of...
I'm not
Hold
giving
on.
him the
Stop.
fucking dog.
Stop. Regardless of what your guys' agreement was, whatever, okay? That's null and void. That is his dog. Okay, you're extorting him at this point.
Extorting.
Yes, this is extortion. You cannot hold somebody's property for money.
Okay.
That's what you need to go to court for. You need to give the dog back, otherwise you will be arrested for theft.
How can I be stealing a dog when he gave it
Because
to me?
you are depriving him of his property. That's theft.
Yeah.
Okay?
That he's proven to us that
How has he proven it to you?
I mean he's got all the documents and stuff.
Let him know if he wants to go this route to go ahead and arrest me. I'll get my hold of my attorney and get a house sitter until I make bail. You know, but we're going to court. He's not just going to get this dog back. You can come arrest me, but I'll move the dog and he'll never find him.
So you are willing to go to jail.
Uh-huh. I'd rather go to jail than turn that dog back over.
Either way, that's what's going to happen. You're going to go to jail and the dog's going to go to him.
If you could find him. Thanks for giving me the warning.
Are you serious right now?
I am
Why are you
fed up
being a
with
child
this.
right now?
Huh?
You are being a child about this. This is his dog, okay? You are extorting
This has
him for
been
money.
my dog for a year and a half.
It is his dog. You even told him in the initial investigation that the dog belongs to him.
Yeah, well, that's what I said in front of this gentleman.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So
Yeah.
you admit that the dog is his.
Well, he came. I was surprised.
You are
This
extorting
gentleman
him.
is at you. We can stand here and argue. I'll call my attorney. Tell him. Hopefully, you won't arrest me today, but you won't find me today. So the next time, just don't come. When I see you, don't come to the door. You know, you're from Yavapai, right?
Yes.
I've been thinking about suing you idiots anyway.
Okay.
But in the process, if he takes me to court over this, I'm going to slap a lien on him. On his property for the goody judgment and slap a lien on it, run him off, and you can tell him I'm going to burn the fucker down. Then he can
Do
have
you own the property up there?
Yeah, he's got a few acres.
And you bought it for him, or do you own
No,
it?
he bought it.
Did you?
I'll foreclose on him.
Okay.
I will.
Foreclose on his property?
Yeah. What you do is you get a judgment, you slap a lien, and you foreclose on it.
I don't think you're in any condition to be in jail.
Oh, you just want me in there. I need to sue you assholes anyway.
No. But because this is a criminal matter, I could potentially give you a citation, and I need you to be here for that. Because then if you're not here for that, then I have to take you to jail.
So that's where I live. Did you find that for him, or did he actually look
No,
it
he
up?
found it on his own.
Yeah. Okay.
After, sitting with the case for a little bit and talking to Kyle, he showed me documentation saying that the dog is his. And like I said, I had it on body camera. And,
He's going to have to work on it if he wants it.
okay.
So I just talked with the county attorney. They're not willing to charge you, which I don't agree with because you're extorting.
I don't even
Stop.
want the money.
Yeah, you do.
No,
Because of what you're
no.
gonna give him
Honestly,
the dog.
if I did not,
We're done.